Hello children, happy morning. In this video, we are going to recall your favorite topic measurements. In measurements, we are going to see the properties, formulas, and how to calculate area and perimeter of basic three shapes, that is square, rectangle, and triangle. Let's start. First, we'll see about square. So, square. We'll name it as A, B, C and D. So it has four sides, four equal sides, AB, BC, CD and DA. So all the four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. It has four vertices, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. So square has four equal sides and opposite sides are parallel and it has four vertices. And all the angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equals to angle C equals to angle D. All the four angles are equal and it is 90 degree, that is a right angle. Then diagonals are also equal. Diagonals is a line segment joining alternative vertices. A is a vertex and the alternative vertex of A, that is opposite vertex of A, is C. So this is what the diagonal, a line segment joining opposite vertices. So AC is one of the diagonal and BD is the other diagonal. So diagonals are also equal. AC is equal to BD and this diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. 90 degree. The diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So these are the properties of square. I'll repeat once again. All the sides of a square are equal and opposite sides are parallel. All the angles are also equal and it is 90 degree. Diagonals are also equal, that is AC is equal to BD and diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Is that clear children? Properties of square. And the side is denoted by S or A. Side we can denote it by S or A. So the formula to calculate area of a square is equals to side into side square units. Side into side square units. Otherwise we can say S into S or S squared or A squared. Whatever we are taking for the side, that square. If you are taking S as a side, side into side or S squared. If you are assuming A as a side, A into A or A squared square units. And perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter means adding all the sides. So how many sides it has? 4 sides. Each side is A units. Because all the sides are equal. So A plus A plus A plus A, it is 4A units. 4A units. Now let's see the sums how to calculate area of a square and perimeter of a square. Okay, now listen to the first sum. Calculate area of a square of side. They have given 3 subdivisions. First one is 8 centimeter, second one is 6.4 centimeter and the third one is 12 meter. So first let me find 8 centimeter. For 8 centimeter, what is 8 centimeter? Side is 8 centimeter, right? So given side is equal to 8 centimeter. We know the formula to calculate area of a square. What is the formula area of a square? side into side square units, or A into A square units. Side is 8. So 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64, not 16. நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, 8 2s are 16 எழுதுவீங்க. No, it is not 8 2s are 8 into 8. So 64 square units. Here what is the unit, children? Centimeter. So it is 64 centimeter squared. 64 centimeter squared. Now second subdivision. Side is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So side is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Your second subdivision. So area of a square. What is the formula area of a square once again? Yes, side into side square units. That is 6.4 into 6.4. How will you multiply? Listen. 6.4 into 6.4. So first we'll multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. 6, 1 carry over. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Don't keep the decimal point now. Now take 6. 6 4s are 24. 4, 2 carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Right? Now 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now keep the decimal point. Here how many digits? 1 digit. Here how many digit? 1 digit. So totally 2 digits. So count from the right side. 1, 2. So keep the decimal point. So it is 40.96. What is the unit? Centimeter. So it is centimeter squared. Is that clear, children? Now the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? 12 meter. Right? So side is equal to, it is given 12 meter. Area of a square formula. Side into side square units. That is 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So it is 144. 144. What is the unit? Meter. So here it is meter squared. 144 meter squared. Very easy, no, to calculate area of a square. Then we'll see how to calculate perimeter of a square. Now listen to the second sum. Calculate perimeter of a square of side. First subdivision 3.2 centimeter. Second subdivision 9 centimeter. So first we'll do it for 3.2 centimeter. So side is given as 3.2 centimeter. Perimeter of a square formula 4 into side, that is 4a or 4s, whatever you want you can write. 4s, it is units, not square units. Only for area it is square units. So perimeter it is units. So 4 into 4s means what? 4 into s. So 4 into s is side, that is 3.2. Now multiply. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Here 1 digit. So keep a decimal point. It is 12.8 centimeter. Now second subdivision. Side is equal to 9 centimeter. Now perimeter is equal to 4 into s units or 4s units, like this. So 4 into side is 9. 4 9s are 36. Units. What is a unit here? Centimeter. So 36 centimeter. Is it clear, children, about a square, the properties and the formulas and how to calculate area and perimeter of a square? Okay. Now we'll see about rectangle. Okay. Now let's see about rectangle. So rectangle also a four-sided polygon. It has four sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides, that is AB and CD, are parallel and equal. BC and DA are parallel and equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Suppose AB is 5 centimeter means CD is also 5 centimeter. BC 3 centimeter means AD is also 3 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And all the angles are equal. That is right angle. All angles are right angle, 90 degree. Angle A equals angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D. And diagonals bisect each other. You know what are diagonals? A line segment joining opposite vertices. Here AC is one of the diagonal and BD is the other diagonal. Both the diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. 90 degree right angle. Diagonals are equal and also bisect each other at 90 degree. These are all the properties of rectangle. Now, area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. This is the length and this is the breadth. Length will be length is denoted by L and breadth is denoted by B. So L into B square units. Length into breadth square units. Now perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into L plus B units. 2 into L plus B units. Because it perimeter, you know, the adding of all the sides. So here this is L. This is breadth B. This is also L. Opposite sides are equal. And this is B. So how many L are there? How many lengths? L plus L? 2L. 2L. 2B. So plus 2B. Now take the 2 commonly out. So you have 2 into L plus B. This is how you got the formula. Perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B units. Now let's see the problems on area and perimeter of rectangle. Now listen to the first sum. Calculate the area of rectangle whose length is 17 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So area of a rectangle formula L into B, that is length into breadth square unit. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B square units, which is equals to what is length? 17 centimeter. So 17 into breadth is 8. 17 into 8. 17 8s are. So multiply 8 7s are 56. So 6 5 carry over. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 13. So it is 136 centimeter squared. So we'll see one more problem. Now listen to this subdivision. They have given length is 15.4 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So area we know the formula is L into B square units. So which is equal to L is length 15.4 into breadth is 6. Now multiply 6 4s are 24. 2 carry over. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 it is 32. 3 carry over. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 it is 9. So how many digits decimal point? 1 digit. So keep 1 digit. So it is 92.4 centimeter squared. Now we'll see perimeter. Now listen to this problem. Calculate perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So we know perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula, children? Yes, very good. 2 into L plus B units. 2 into L plus B units, which is equals to this 2 into length is 9 centimeters. So 9 plus B breadth is 4 centimeters. So it is 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So this 2 into 13, bracket means you know it is a product. So into 13. 2 13s are 26 centimeter units, not square units. 26 centimeter. We'll see one more subdivision. Now listen to the sum. They have given length is 3.6 centimeter and breadth is 7.2 centimeter. So we need to calculate perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B units. That is 2 into L is 3.6 plus breadth is 7.2, which is equal to this 2 into, we need to add. So listen to the addition. 3.6 plus 7.2, right? 6 plus 2 it is 8. Keep the decimal point. 3 plus 7 is 10. So it is 10.8. So 10.8. Now the multiplication into 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry over. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 ones are 2. Now 1 digit decimal point. So keep the decimal point. So it is 21.6. What is the unit? Centimeter. So 21.6. 21.6 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now we'll see about triangle. So triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has three sides, AB, BC and CA. It has three sides and three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and three vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So it has three sides, three angles and three vertices. And already you have learned that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is adding all the three angles. Angle A plus angle B, angle C is equals to 180 degree. What is the name of the property? Yes, that is called angle sum property. Then the third one is sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So if you add AC and BC, it will be greater than AB. Suppose if you add AB and BC, it must be greater than AC. So sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And AB is a base and the height is nothing but the altitude, the perpendicular line from the opposite vertex. This is the altitude and we'll name it as D. Now I can say CD is the altitude, CD is the height, CD is the perpendicular line to AB. So AB is a base and CD is the height. Now let's see the formula to calculate area of a triangle. Half into base into height square units. Half into base B into height for H. Half into base into height square units. So perimeter is nothing but adding all the sides. If we consider A, small letter A is the side of AB, and this is B, and this is C, means perimeter of a triangle is adding all the sides A plus B plus C units. Is that clear, children? Shall we see some on this area and perimeter? Okay. Okay, listen to the sum. Find the area of a triangle whose height is 14 centimeter and base is 8 centimeter. We know the formula to calculate area of a triangle. So, area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height, that is a half BH square units. Now substitute the values. Half into, what is the base value? Base is 8. So 8 into height. Height is 14. Now we can cancel. 2 ones are 2. Either we cancel 8 or 14. So here I am taking 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now it is 8 into 7. 8 sevens are 56 centimeter squared. And listen, half into 8 into 14. If you want, you can cancel 4 also. Now listen, anyway you will be getting the same answer. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 4 into 14, it is 56. Multiply and check. 4 fours are 16. 1 carry over. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 56. Anyway, you will get the correct answer. Okay. We'll see one more problem. Now listen to the sum. Base is given as 8.4 centimeter and a height is 5 centimeter. So area of a triangle. We know the formula half into base into height square units. Now substitute the values. Half into base is 8.4 into height is 5. Now do the cancellation. If you cancel 2 and 5, you will be getting in decimals. So we can cancel 8.4 since it is a multiple of 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. You have the decimal point. So keep the decimal point. Now you have 4. So 2 twos are 4. Is that clear, children? Listen. First you have 8. So 2 fours are 8. Decimal point. So keep the decimal point. Then you have 4. 2 twos are 4. Now it is 4.2 into 5. Now multiply. 4.2 into 5. 5 twos are 10. 0. 1 carry over. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. You have 1 digit decimal point. So keep a decimal point. 0 after the decimal point, no value. So cancel it. So it is just 21. So 21 centimeter squared. Is that clear, children? How to calculate area of a triangle? And perimeter is nothing but adding all the sides, right? Adding all the sides. So it is simple.
Okay, children. I hope you understood all these concepts. So with this class, bridge course gets over. I hope you utilize the bridge course properly. We'll see it in the regular class videos, children. Thank you.